Hi folks, today we are back at our favourite restaurant in Farnborough and we are cleaning the carpets once again, and I just thought I would take this moment just to show you what a difference we make when we use the correct cleaning products and equipment. We're on the second stage at the moment. We've just vacuumed the carpet. We've applied a specialist product which will basically digest all that grease that's been tracked in from the kitchens and the greasy soil and everything. And once we scrub the carpet, we're then going to extract it using hot water, otherwise known as steam cleaning. This is the only way to clean the carpet, to clean a carpet in a restaurant. We do not use any other method. We feel that this is most definitely the most hygienic way to clean carpets in a place where people are eating and drinking. Right, well that's the extraction stage completed on that area there, and you can actually see quite a big difference there. Okay, we're actually physically removing the grease and the dirt from the carpet. Okay, and that then gets disposed of responsibly. Okay, and so there you have it. So wouldn't you rather be dining on a clean floor, on a clean carpet like you see now, rather than a dirty one? And the Everest Tandoori in Farnborough have used me for many years, and we come back every quarter to clean this carpet. And you know something, folks, that's why they're full every single day of the week, because people not only like the food, but they do like to dine on a clean carpet. So there you have it.